Hello dear students, welcome back to the maths class. As we are studying chapter 7, the world of shapes. We were on the exercise 7.4. So open book page number 111. Book page number 111. Exercise 7.4. Question number 1, 2 and 4 we have already covered in previous lecture. So let us do question number 3. What is question number 3? Question number 3 is draw nets of the following. Your question is draw nets of following. Right? It is a question. So you need to draw what nets. Now what is the word net means? What are these nets? What is this? What are nets? So let us understand what are nets. Nets are the 2D representation of 3Ds. It is a solid. This cube is a solid object, solid shape. If I cut it down and if I open all its sides, all its faces, all the flat shapes I get is known as net. This cube has 6 sides, right? If I open the top side, if I open this top side of the cube, it will be like this. If I open top side, if I open bottom side, it will be like this. If I open this side, it will be like this. If I open this side, it will be like this. And if I open this side further, so I had a 3D shape, I cut it down and open all its surfaces and flatten out it. So I get a 2D shape, a plane shape I get. So this plane shape is known as net, and it is the net get from the cube. So it is a net of cube. It is a net of cube. In the same manner, how many faces this cube has? Count the number of faces this cube has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces it has. So the number of flat faces in the net is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we remember the number of flat surfaces will be the same as in your solid. Okay, let us draw the net for the next shape. Which shape it is? It is cuboid, right? It is cuboid. Let us cut it down and open it. So see, it's a face number 1 and face number 2 are of square shape, but face number 3, 4, 5, sorry, but the face number 3, 4, 5 and 6 are rectangular. So when we open its faces, suppose I am opening its first face. First face is of square shape. So when we open it, it will be a square. Okay, its a second face is also of a square. So when we open it, it is a square. Okay, but the third face of the cuboid is rectangular. So make a rectangular. Now fourth face, when we open, it is third face. When we open fourth face, it will be like this. When we open sixth face, it will be like this. When we open fifth face, it will be like this. So this rectangle has this cuboid has 4 rectangular surfaces and two square surfaces. So these are the 2 square surfaces and 1, 2, 3 and 4 rectangular surfaces. When we open this cuboid, we get a 2D flat shape which is known as net of cuboid. So it is a net of cuboid. As this cuboid has 6 faces, in the same way our net has 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the next shape is cone. Next solid shape is cone. Okay, when we open this face, it is a circular face. When I cut it down and open this, I will get a circle, right? And if I open this is the net of a cone. It is a net of a cone. Why? See, the base of the cone is circular. When I open this surface, when I cut down and open this surface, the circle will come out. The circle will come out. And when I open this, the shape will be like this. Okay. Then next solid shape is a cylinder. It is a cylindrical shape. The top and bottom or base of this cylinder is circular. When I open this surface, it will look like this. And when I open the bottom surface, it is also circular. Bottom is also circular. When I open it, it will look like circle, right? And when we open this curved surface, it will become a rectangle. So when we open this surface, it will look like a rectangle. Okay. So it is the net of cylinder. Okay. So what is net? A net of a 3-dimensional shape can be obtained by unfolding the shapes. Means when we unfold this cube, we get this shape. It is a 2D shape now. It is the object in my hand is a cube, right? When I unfold this cube, I get a 2D shape. Okay? This 2D shape is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 squares. Okay, so it is known as this 2D shape is known as net of cube. This duster is of the shape of cuboid. It has two square surfaces and 4 rectangular surfaces. When we cut it down and open it, we get a 2D shape. Cuboid is a 3D shape, but when we cut it down and open it, we get a 2D shape. Okay. This 2D shape has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rectangular surfaces and 2 square surfaces. It is net of cuboid. Next is net of cone. As the base of the cone is circular, so when we cut it down and open it, it is a circle and the shape of it is like this. So net of cone is this and net of cylinder is its base and top side of the cylinder is circular, as you can see. So this top and base of the net are circular and the curved between these two, top and base, this curved surface, when we open it, it looks like a rectangle. So it is a net of cylinder. So in your book also you can observe on page number 110. On page number 110. On page number 110, a topic is given net of three-dimensional shapes. So what is written here? A net of three-dimensional shape can be obtained by unfolding the shapes. So when we unfold the solids, we get a 2D shape which is known as net. How we get net of solids? When we unfold a solid object, we get a 2D shape which is known as net. Okay, and you can observe that the net of cube, when we open this box we get this net of cuboid. When we open this cuboid box we get net of the cuboid. Next, net of a cone. It has a vertex, it has a base, and it is known as cone. When we open it, we get a curved surface and one circular base, right? The last one is a cylinder. A cylinder is given which has a top and base and one curved surface. When we open this curved surface, we get a rectangle. Observe here, we get a rectangle, and top and base are circular surfaces. Okay, so it is known as net of solid cylinder. Now where we use these nets? Do you have any idea where we use these nets? So these nets are needed when we find the surface area of solids. We find the surface area of solids, we require the net of solids. So in your syllabus you just need to remember the nets of all the solids. Okay, you just need to remember the nets of the solids. The surface area you will find out in higher classes. Till now you just learn these diagrams. Okay, till now you just learn these diagrams. Be remember here, all these squares are of same size. All these squares are of same size. Here these four rectangles are of same size, and these two squares are of same size. In the net of cylinder, these two circles are of same size. Okay. So I hope you got what is net. What is net? Once again I am repeating what is net. When we cut a solid and open it, we get a 2D shape. We get a two-dimensional shape which is known as net of that particular object. Okay. I told you what is the use of these nets. What is the use of these nets? These nets, through these nets we can easily find out the surface area of these solids. Okay, I hope you understand. So now let us do question number 3. Draw nets of following. Your first question number 3. Now we are going to do draw nets of following. Part A given is cuboid. Now how cuboid looks? Cuboid looks like this duster, right? It is a cuboid shape. Okay. So what will be its net? Its net will be like 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 rectangular faces. 4 equal rectangular faces both the square should be of equal. Okay, so it is the net of cuboid. It is the net of cuboid. Is the net of cuboid. Let us do the next one. B. The given shape name is cylinder. Cylinder. Now how a cylinder looks like? A cylinder looks like the shape of marker. It is a cylindrical shape, right? The top of it is a circular. The bottom of it is circular. So now the third given name of solid is cone. You know how ice cream cone looks like? Just like this. So top or base of this cone is circular. So make a circle. And this curved face, this curved upper face is, we will draw like this. If you have any confusion, you can now the last one given shape name is cube. You know how a cube looks like? Just crystal of sugar, okay, or ice cube. It look like this. It has 6 equal faces. When we cut it down and open it, it will look like so it is a net of cube. So question number 3 is completed here. With the help of proper scale and pencil, you will draw all these 4 nets of solids. And be remember, you need to learn these nets of all these 4 solids. In your syllabus only these solids are given. Okay, so you need to learn these 4 nets of these solids: cuboid, cylinder, cone and cube. Okay. Okay, understand? So question number 3 is complete here. Now question number 5. So read the question number 5 carefully. It is draw the top view, front view and side view of the following solid shapes. Some solid shapes are given and you need to draw top view, front view and side view of those solids. So this question we will cover when you come to school. Okay, as it is not possible to show all top, front and side view here in the video lecture, so we will definitely cover this question, but when you will come to school. Okay, so when your classes will conduct in school properly, we will cover this question. So till then leave this question. Okay, no need to complete it in copy. So this exercise is covered here. On page number 113 revision station is given. On page number 113 revision station is given. So try to solve this revision station in your rough work. Okay, try to solve this revision station in your rough work by yourself. So for summary, I am telling what we have discussed in this chapter. In this chapter we discussed what is geometry, the study of shapes and property of shapes. Discussing property of shape is known as geometry, right? Then we learn how to draw a line segment. We discussed different terms related to geometry like point, line segment, line, ray, right? So how to draw line segments we learn, what is circle, we learn different terms related to circle like radius, diameter. We discussed formulas of circle, right? Formulas related to circle, and we discussed solids, plane shapes, solid shapes, and net of solids, right? So this chapter is over here, but you need to practice it at home. Bye bye students.